Last year alone, almost 10 million SUVs were sold in the US. That alone could be a good reason why some car manufacturers keep upgrading their SUVs year after year. I think it's time for us to see what new SUVs we're getting in 2025. Let's start with 2025 Cadillac Optiq. This all-new 2025 Cadillac Optiq is Cadillac's latest entry into the electric SUV market, positioned below the larger Lyriq in the lineup. This compact EV comes in two trims, luxury and sport, with pricing starting at $54,000. Both trims are powered by dual electric motors producing 300 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque, providing an estimated 300 miles of range from an 85 kilowatt-hour battery. The Optiq's 400-volt architecture supports up to 150 kilowatt DC fast charging, adding 79 miles of range in just 10 minutes. The sport trim starts at $55,000 and offers even more premium features. Buyers can choose between two levels of standard equipment within both trims, with top-tier versions like the Optiq Sport 2 priced at $57,000. Eligible for the $7,500 federal tax credit, the 2025 Cadillac Optiq delivers a luxurious, high-tech driving experience while offering substantial electric performance and range. 2025 BMW X7. The largest BMW SUV now delivers luxury and performance in a refined full-size SUV package. The entry-level xDrive 40i boasts a smooth 375 horsepower turbocharged inline-six, while the M60i offers a 523 horsepower twin-turbo V8 for those seeking more power. For top-tier performance, the Alpina XB7 features a 630 horsepower version of the V8. All models come with all-wheel drive, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and adaptive air suspension for a balanced yet dynamic ride. Inside, the X7 impresses with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen, integrated into a sleek, curved glass display atop the dash. The iDrive infotainment system can be controlled via the touchscreen, rotary knob, or gesture controls, though the latter feels more gimmicky. Standard features include heated front seats, ambient lighting, and BMW's digital key for remote control via a smartphone. Wi-Fi, a Harman Kardon sound system, and wireless charging are optional, rounding out the tech-forward cabin experience. The pricing starts at $85,000 and can double to cost around $155,000 for the Alpina XB7 model. 2025 Hyundai Tucson. Tucson's always stood out in the compact SUV segment with its chic design, but the 2025 year model looks even better now. Famous for practicality and impressive interior space, the 2025 Tucson is an excellent compact SUV. Powered by a 187 horsepower, 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Tucson comes standard with front-wheel drive, while all-wheel drive is available as an option. For drivers seeking more efficiency, both hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions are offered separately. For 2025, the Tucson gets a styling refresh with updates to its grille, bumpers, and wheels. Inside, higher trims feature a new infotainment setup with two digital displays, one for the gauges and one for the infotainment, housed in a single sleek unit. Entry-level models come with a 12-inch touchscreen and analog gauges. Hyundai's attention to detail is evident throughout the cabin, which offers a modern design, high-quality materials, and ample space for both passengers and cargo. Starting at $30,000, the 2025 Tucson continues to offer great value and comfort in the compact SUV class. 2025 Toyota Highlander. The most popular Toyota SUV remains a reliable choice in the competitive three-row SUV market, offering comfort, efficiency, and safety, key factors for families. Powered by a 265 horsepower, turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Highlander is available in both front and all-wheel drive. This year's updates include all-wheel drive as standard on the XSE and Platinum trims, plus new exterior colors like heavy metal and cement. While not the most exciting SUV to drive, the Highlander's smooth ride will satisfy those prioritizing comfort over sportiness. It offers a fuel economy of 22 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway, with a slight dip for the all-wheel drive version. Inside, seating for up to 8 passengers is available, though opting for second-row captain's chairs reduces capacity to 7. Tech features include an 8-inch touchscreen on LE and XLE models, with an optional 12.3-inch display for XLE and standard on higher trims. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot come standard, while the top trims add luxuries like leather upholstery and ventilated seats. Prices range from $41,000 to $52,000 depending on options. 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. This all-new Mercedes-Benz SUV with EQ technology, commonly referred to as the G-Class EV, is the latest evolution of the iconic G-Class. It retains the boxy, rugged design but swaps out its gas-guzzling engine for a high-performance electric drivetrain. With 4 electric motors delivering 579 horsepower and 859 pound-feet of torque, this all-electric SUV promises both off-road prowess and on-road performance. Features like G-turn, allowing 360-degree spins, and G-steering enhance its maneuverability on tough terrain, while torque vectoring and virtual differential locks ensure it remains an off-roading beast. The G580's luxurious interior includes a 2-tone Nappa leather setup, blue carbon fiber trim, and 12-inch dual screens for a fully digital gauge cluster and infotainment system. Massaging seats and ambient lighting add to the premium feel. Despite slightly less cargo space than its gas counterpart, the G-Class EV still offers a commanding driving experience. With an estimated 240 miles of electric range and the ability to charge from 10 to 80% in about 32 minutes using DC fast charging, the G-Class EV blends style, luxury, and sustainability in a package that remains quintessentially G-Wagon. The starting price of $180,000 doesn't really make any difference, because we all know that it'll be sold for over $200,000 considering insane demand for this beast. 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. Hyundai makes a bold statement with its futuristic new boxy design Santa Fe SUV, which still turns heads even after a year on the market. Offering 3-row seating for 7 passengers, a spacious cargo area, and a wide tailgate, the Santa Fe is well suited for family life. Under the hood, a 277 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 engine powers the SUV, delivering 311 pound-feet of torque through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive comes standard, with all-wheel drive available as an option. Despite its sizable frame, the Santa Fe manages an EPA-estimated 20 miles per gallon in the city. Inside, the 2025 Santa Fe's interior is strikingly modern, dominated by rectangular design elements that echo the rugged theme of its exterior. The off-road-ready XRT trim is something you only see on top luxury off-roaders. The second and third row seats fold flat to maximize cargo space, making it practical for families on the go. 2 12-inch displays dominate the dashboard, one for the gauge cluster and the other for infotainment, while maintaining physical controls for climate and audio. The 2025 Santa Fe starts at $35,000, offering a blend of style, space, and tech that's hard to beat in the family SUV segment. 2025 Audi Q5. This completely all-new 2025 Audi Q5 combines new sleek design with cutting-edge technology, making it a standout in the compact luxury SUV segment. The new Q5 is powered by a 268 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, paired with all-wheel drive and a 7-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. The interior of the new Q5 gets a tech overhaul, with up to 3 digital screens dominating the dashboard. The 12-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14-inch infotainment display are standard, while an optional 11-inch passenger screen adds even more functionality. Developed with Google's Android Automotive, the system also supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless connectivity. Optional upgrades include a head-up display and a 16-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system for a more immersive experience. Starting at $49,000, the 2025 Audi Q5 offers a range of trims and tech features that can push the price up to $70,000, catering to a variety of luxury SUV buyers. 2025 Genesis GV80. Genesis continues to impress us with the new 2025 GV80 luxury midsize SUV that combines performance, technology, and refinement. The base model new GV80 features a 300 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and is available with 2 rows of seats, and the 375 horsepower twin-turbo V6 adds even more excitement and makes room for a 3rd row, seating up to 7 passengers. Both engine options come standard with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering a smooth, quiet ride. The 2025 model brings a refreshed design, featuring a new grille and micro-lens array headlamps. New 20 and 22-inch wheel options and a fresh store green color, available in glossy or matte finishes, add a modern touch. Inside, the GV80 boasts a massive 27-inch touchscreen combining the gauge cluster and infotainment display. 3 new interior color options, earth brown, Bordeaux brown, and glacier white, enhance the already plush cabin, which includes heated and cooled seats, ambient lighting, and elegant materials like burled wood and metal accents. Tech features abound, including wireless smartphone charging, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The 2025 Genesis GV80 is priced between $59,000 and $80,000, depending on trim and options you choose. 2025 Hyundai Palisade. For me personally, this Palisade remains a standout in the midsize SUV segment, blending practicality with sophistication. The 2025 Palisade is powered by a smooth 3.8-liter V6 engine. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Palisade delivers 291 horsepower. With seating for up to 8 passengers, the Palisade offers ample space and comfort. The SUV's focus is more on comfort and tech than sporty handling or off-road prowess, but it manages to tow up to 5,000 pounds with ease when equipped with a dealer-installed trailer hitch. For 2025, Hyundai has added more tech features, such as a parking distance warning and surround view camera, standard on the XRT trim. The new SEL Premium trim sits between the XRT and Limited, offering a blend of premium features without jumping to the top-tier models. The Palisade's spacious interior is a strong point, with flexible seating options, including second-row captain's chairs or a bench seat, depending on the trim. Even the third row offers reasonable space for adults. Tech features are plentiful, with a standard 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system and much more. Hyundai's BlueLink app service allows for remote start and lock-unlock via Alexa or Google Assistant, starting at $38,000 and reaching up to $56,000 for the top Calligraphy Night Edition. 2025 Kia Sorento. This super compact and versatile 3-row Kia Sorento offers a practical cabin and sleek design with the 2025 update. It comes with 2 engine choices, a standard 191 horsepower 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and an optional 281 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder. Both pair with an 8-speed automatic transmission, while all-wheel drive is available. For off-road enthusiasts, the rugged X-Pro trim adds features like a center-locking differential and all-terrain tires. Fuel economy is solid, with the base engine rated at 23 miles per gallon city and 31 miles per gallon highway, while the turbo variant nets 20 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway. Inside, the Sorento boasts a clean, well-built interior with ambient lighting and optional captain's chairs for the second row. While the third row is tight for adults, it remains useful for families. Standard features include a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a suite of driver assistance systems. Prices start at a competitive $32,000, making it a strong option in the midsize SUV segment. The 2025 Nissan Rogue. This all-new Nissan Rogue SUV combines adventure-ready features with modern technology, making it a top contender in the compact SUV segment. Highlighting the new Rock Creek trim, the Rogue now caters to those with an adventurous spirit, featuring all-terrain tires, hill descent control, a tubular roof rack, and water-repellent leatherette seating. With its rugged design and intelligent all-wheel drive, the Rock Creek is perfect for off-road exploration or family getaways. Under the hood, the Rogue is powered by a 1.5-liter variable compression turbo engine, delivering 201 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque, paired with an Xtronic CVT for smooth performance. The SUV achieves best-in-class fuel economy with the help of standard idle stop-start technology. For tech lovers, the available ProPilot Assist 2.1 driver assistance system makes freeway drives easier by allowing hands-free signal lane operation. Starting at $29,000, the 2025 Rogue offers style, capability, and advanced features for any adventure. 2025 Volkswagen Taos. The 2025 Volkswagen Taos brings a fresh look and enhanced performance to the subcompact SUV segment. With a revamped exterior featuring a full-width rear light bar and sleeker headlights, plus a refreshed interior boasting soft-touch leatherette door panels and an updated dash, the Taos blends style with practicality. Under the hood, a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine now delivers 174 horsepower, up from 158, with 184 pound-feet of torque remaining unchanged. Front-wheel drive modes keep their 8-speed automatic transmission, while all-wheel drive variants now also get the same, replacing the previous 7-speed dual-clutch system. Inside, all models come with an 8-inch touchscreen featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with upper trims adding wireless mirroring and extra tech. A light-colored dash adds contrast, while adaptive headlights and parking sensors enhance the SE and SEL trims. Expected to start just above $25,000, the updated 2025 Taos offers modern design and features while promising fuel efficiency similar to the 2024 model's impressive 40 miles per gallon. What other vehicle would you like to see in the next video? Let me know in the comments below.